Many years ago, I had a couple of Radio Shack amplifiers, and they were battery powered. They were very convenient for my experiments, anything to do with audio like crystal radio or my laser communicator. And during one of my moves, I gave them away, and I've always regretted that. But today, I think I found a pretty good substitute for those, and it's these Little B. It's called Little B Megaphone, and it does USB playback, TF card playback, and loudspeaker, which is what I'm interested in. And it says for teachers, tour guide, shopping guide only. I guess you can't use it for anything else. I'm going to be breaking the rules here. Professional loudspeaker, improved noise reduction for clearer sound. And yeah, it seems to have some really good sound output for such a small, inexpensive device. I think it was like $8 plus shipping. Let's do a walk around. Here's the speaker grill. Here is the top. We have the microphone input. I'll show you what they gave us. The on-off switch. These are buttons for controlling music if you play them in through the plugs. The volume control right there. The charge port, USB-C, which is nice. Nothing on this side. The other USB port and the SSD card there. And then my modification right there. I did an audio out on it. And on the back side, it's just got a big belt clip on it. What else? It came with a USB-C charge cable, strap, carrying strap, whatever. And then, let's zoom out a little bit so you can see this. And a microphone, which the head part's too small for my big head, but it seems to be pretty comfortable, and a reasonably good microphone with a flex boom on it. Okay, so let's look back inside this thing. I've already taken one of the two apart. Let's get in here a little closer. And I think you can see that pretty well. So it's got a rechargeable battery, lithium battery in it. Here's the circuit board that controls everything. And the speaker's right there. Here's my modification. I have cut into the speaker wire to add an audio out so that when I plug something in, it cuts out the main speaker and goes to the output. So yeah, it's again, for the price and whatever, I think my Radio Shack ones cost $20 a piece. And these are only, like I said, about $8 plus shipping. So heck of a good deal. And they seem to work really well, again, for purposes like amplifying your crystal radio if you want to do that. And I've got several other projects I'm working on, and I needed some more. So anyway, I don't usually do reviews or recommendations, but in this case, this is one of the few things I've found that actually works well. I've done kits. I've done other things like this, which is not battery powered. And yeah, these are just a whole lot more convenient and again, much cheaper. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful and interesting in your home audio experimentations.